Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Learn Chinese in 15 minutes. Everyday words and sentences, easy lesson. What if, in the next 15 minutes, you could begin to understand and speak Chinese? Not perfectly, but clearly enough to start real conversations. Stay with me, because by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet people, introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and understand everyday responses in Chinese. Let's begin. First, greetings, ni hao, which in English means hello. Nin hao, which in English means hello, formal. Zhao shang hao, which in English means good morning. Wan shang hao, which in English means good evening. Now, repeat slowly. Ni hao, which in English means hello. Nin hao, which in English means hello, formal. Great. Now, introducing yourself. Whoa, which in English means Wu Jiao, which in English means my name is. Let's combine them. Wu Jiao Li Ming, which in English means my name is Li Ming. Wu Jiao An Nu, which in English means my name is Anna. Now, asking someone's name. Ni jiao shima mingzi, which in English means, what is your name? Let's practice a simple exchange. Ni hao, which in English means, hello. Wu jiao Wang Wei, which in English means, my name is Wang Wei. Ni jiao she yao mingzi, which in English means, what is your name? Now, polite words. Qing, which in English means, please. 谢谢, which in English means, thank you. 非常感谢, which in English means, thank you very much. 不客气, which in English means, you're welcome. 是, which in English means, yes. 不是, which in English means, no. Take your time. Repeat each one. 谢谢, which in English means, thank you. Bukichi, which in English means you're welcome. Now, everyday questions, ni hao ma, which in English means how are you? Responses, wu han hao, which in English means I am fine. Wu bu tai hao, which in English means I am not very well. Let's build a conversation. Ni hao ma, which in English means how are you? Wu hen hao, which in English means I am fine. Xie xie, which in English means thank you. Now, talking about where you are from, Wu Lai Zi, which in English means I come from. Examples: Wu Lai Zi Zhongguo, which in English means I am from China. Wu Lai Zi Fei Lu Bin, which in English means I am from the Philippines. Now, asking someone else, Ni Kong Na Li Lai, which in English means where are you from? Let's combine Ni Hao, which in English means hello. Wu Jiao Xiaoming, which in English means my name is Xiaoming. Wu Lai Zi Zhongguo, which in English means I am from China. Ni cong na li lai, which in English means where are you from? Now, daily actions. Wo qi, which in English means I eat. Wu he, which in English means I drink. Wu chu, which in English means I go. Example sentences. Wu qi mian bao, which in English means I eat bread. Wu ha shui, which in English means I drink water. Wu ku jia, which in English means I go home. You're doing great. Let's slow down and review. Ni hao, which in English means hello. Wo jiao, which in English means my name is Ni hao ma, which in English means how are you? Which in English means thank you. Now imagine a real-life situation. Meet someone new. 你好, which in English means hello. 我叫陈伟, which in English means my name is Chen Wei. 你叫什么名字? Which in English means what is your name? They respond 我叫李李, which in English means my name is Li Li. 你好吗? Which in English means how are you? You reply 我很好, which in English means I am fine. 谢谢, which in English means and just like that, you're speaking Chinese. Before we finish, one final review. 你好, which in English means hello. 早上好, which in English means good morning. 我叫, which in English means oh, my name is 你叫什么名字? Which in English means what is your name? 你好吗? Which in English means how are you? 谢谢, which in English means thank you. You've taken your first step into Chinese. And the more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Oh, keep practicing, keep listening, keep speaking. If you made it this far, you're already ahead. I'll see you in the next lesson. 再见, which in English means goodbye. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.